Being a real estate agent can be very lonely. I've got 4 ways for you to overcome loneliness and become a highly productive and happy realtor. Let's talk about it. Okay, number 1, get yourself a really good mentor. If you're trying to accomplish things you've never done, you need to get with somebody who's done it so they can show you how. A good mentor will walk you through overcoming all the obstacles that are standing in between you and the productivity you want. So if you're trying to build a team, find someone to mentor you on team building. If you're trying to become a productive agent, find someone to mentor you on becoming a productive agent. So my number 1 piece of advice, find a mentor, don't do it alone. Number 2, find a collaboration partner. One of the best things I ever did in my business was getting a business partner who had the exact same goals and objectives that I did so we could collaborate together. The reality is we're different from each other, but we do feed off of each other. Where I excel, he can use some help. Where he excels, I can use some help. So collaboration and finding someone to collaborate with, even if it's not an official partnership, can be an amazing tool to help you accomplish the goals you want to accomplish. Number 3, find an accountability partner. This can be a coach, this can be a broker, this can be a mentor. Find someone to hold you accountable to the things you say you're going to do. Because saying you're going to do something is one thing, but making sure you do the small activities to accomplish it is so much more important. So if you're not being held accountable by a partner, by a mentor, by a coach, by a broker, by whatever, then it's going to be really hard to accomplish the things you want to accomplish if you're not in an accountability space. Last but not least, join a team. I think number 4, join a team becomes highly valuable when you realize that no one in real estate does it all themselves. So they either run a team, or they become a team, or they join a team. And so if you're looking to accomplish great things, join a team. I've been a member of the Joe Taylor Group for 15, 16 years now. And it's helped me accomplish things I never thought I would accomplish. And it's helped me achieve goals financially and otherwise that I never thought I would be able to do. And so becoming a member of a team helps you realize that you're not alone. You're not doing it yourself. There's other people that are in this with you. So joining a team is a great way to take your business to the next level. Hopefully you found these 4 things helpful. I know they're things that I've used in my life to help me achieve the production I want to achieve. If you have any questions about this or anything, shoot me an email, joe@joetaylorgroup.com. I'd love to connect. You can follow me on Instagram @JoeHerrera, or you can use me as a mentor, a coach, or a team leader. I'm open to that as well. Have a great day.